and play music. I had to delete my last live because it was doing copyright strikes. Not bad. How are you? Still cold as heck out there. I think the temperature dropped like big time since like day before it rained. I don't know. I don't think so because it actually has the lyrics in it. No, not yet. I still haven't been able to get it over there yet. It was too cold today. Yesterday it rained out. The day before it was just like they had problems getting over there because the water mains in town broke. So they had a lot of main streets blocked off. And we'll have to try again tomorrow morning. I have to get my call. I have them on my phone, so all I got to do is buzz them, and we'll see what happens. And I got released from my doctor, but it's only light work and can't lift more than 20 pounds. So I don't know what the call is for all that, but they did refill my scripts again. So yeah, I could drive, but not for a long time. To my younger self, start life all over again. Try harder. 17 people in here and two likes. Really? Come on, people. Gotta smash that like button. Start getting back to. Yeah, yeah, it is. I get tired of sitting around doing nothing. I'm not depressed. Gotta take day every day as it comes, man. One at a time. Sometimes people have good days, sometimes people have bad days. That's just reality. Deal with every day the best that you can. That's all you can do. How you doing, El? From Germany. How's it going up there? We do fine. I don't pay attention to what a lot of other people say because they're usually not talking with their brain. They're talking with their butt. I had more than my some of my siblings had growing up, so still do. Trip good. Are you tripping? Are you on a psychedelic trip? Say your own name. You got to go. Say my name, bitch. What the hell is this? Is this? No, it's a Jamie Foxx show. Yeah, that's old. It says trip, not drip. Some TV program that was on in the 90s. It's on MTV. I don't know why. It's like some of the shows are good. I like the Wayans brothers, but I don't like Jamie Foxx. He just like kind of very dry, not too funny comic sense about him. Oh, you talk about that TV program? Ridiculousness? Yeah, sometimes I catch that in the morning or I'll catch Cheaters. You either got VH1 or you got MTV at that hour of the morning. Cheaters is just crazy. That's all that is. But it's like this one guy sitting there like he looks like a skateboard kid, like he's lost. Like somebody took him out of the skateboard territory and placed him in a TV show, but he's still wearing the clothes from being a skateboarder. Oh God. If it weren't for all these damn commercials, man, I'd have no problem. But this is like ridiculous. You get like a half an hour of commercials for 5 minutes of a TV program. That's why I don't purchase cable anymore because I don't feel the need to be wasting my time with this garbage. What's my favorite movie of all time that I can recall? Nightmare on Elm Street 3. Well, both of those programs usually start at about 3 o'clock in the morning, but they don't normally end until about 9 or 10. So you got to fill in all that empty space, you know what I mean? And what's funny about that movie is all the kids that they have in the psych ward are all actually pretty much normal. But the one nurse is too pig-headed to actually even see it. It's that old crow. comments. Say what? Oh, you mean this or this? No, say your own name, man. Oh, this is what the hell is a damn program called? Is it Catfished or Catfish or whatever the hell they call it? Wow, it's funny because normally the broads that are on here that are trying to find a dude, they're usually pretty heavy, but this one's not. It's not even bad looking. Well, just you just can repeat it over and over again, or make your own live stream and you can say it all throughout. Then you can play it back all you want. Yeah. Well, are you subscribed or no? Oh, okay. Then trip good. uh, I wonder where the heck everybody else is. Normally, I get my normal people coming in here after a couple of minutes. Maybe they're a little late, or maybe they're still working. Thank you. You have a good day. I guess that means you're getting out of here. Take care, man. Have a good day. Buds Bills. What's happening, dude? Not much. We skipped out on getting in the car again today. Just too damn cold out there. I don't like working in the cold. I'm used to being in a vehicle driving. So try again tomorrow morning. I want to get that car out of there, but it's got to be at least somewhat warm out. At least 50. Yeah. Then yesterday it was raining. The day before that we had water mains broke all throughout the town, so I couldn't even have had the car towed to where I was going to put it to because the roads were blocked off. Then the day before that we had rain again. I can't stand this. Who wants to watch no frickin' drag queens? It's disgusting. Makes me sick every time I see it. Stupid. No, no. Actually, I'm going to probably load them up tomorrow. I have to actually take the engine hoist apart. So I put it in the back of the Jeep. Yeah, I've gotten my share of it too. I've had enough of it. Just give me one decent day so I can go and get this stuff and get it out of there. Well, ain't much happening here. Oh God, yeah, it turned everything that was snow turned back to rain, mud. Okay, if you want to go mud bogging with your you know, snowmobile. The only thing we had here was like we had a little bit of snow, but then most of it was rain. And then this morning I got up at like 3. I left the house at 6, and I didn't get back until like 9:30, and it was just too damn cold, man. I didn't even like walking from where I was to the car. It was that cold. She's not here. She left. That ain't my future wife. What are you talking about? I thought it was kind of like spicy because she's a Russian woman and she's got blonde hair. Well, she doesn't. She's not a natural blonde. She's got her hair dyed, but she wears one of those like, professional type corporate jackets, but she's got like one of those see-through tops. Your mind starts to wander. But I got over it. Right, exactly. She told me she is not my friend. So she can't go to the friend zone. She doesn't have any other choice now. Nah, I'm only kidding. That's if she was a masseuse. Now let's get off of her, man, because I'll be like, let my mind run away with it. No, I don't think so. There's no doorbells anyway. None of the doors have doorbells. You would have that because I ain't about to run. You know, so pretty. No, I can absolutely say I've never done that. We did have the prank call thing. Hey lady, I want to go to Hawaii.